Positive Day, Universe. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Making Change Project. Magandang gabi. Nagbabalik tayo. So, sa lahat ng bago lang tayong, ngayon lang tayo napanood sa YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click mo na po yan. Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so I have the book of Sir Paulo TV. Hi, Sir Paulo. So, Stand Out. How to Lead Without Losing Your Values from Paulo TV, the Entrep Champ. Hi, Sir. Kaibigan natin si Sir Paulo. Follower tayo. Ano yan isa siya sa na-inspire ako. Bumili ako ng book niya sometime like 3 years ago. So, kaya sabi ko, kailangan makasulat din ako ng book kung nagawa ni Sir Paulo. Kaya natin kasi naging speaker namin siya. So, I'm handling his new book. Binigay niya po sa atin ng personal. So, yan. May pirma si Sir. Be the orange among the apples. Okay, so ito yung how to motivate your employees, di ba? Ito mahalaga sa isang negosyo, ang lahat ng empleyado mo na mo-motivate mo. Hindi pwedeng basta lang sila pumapasok. Nag-i-in ng 8, lumalabas ng 5. Nang ganun lang, okay? You have to motivate them. Kailangan meron din silang drive, okay? Drive to work in the company, drive to be excited. Pag Monday, hindi yung kinaayawan nilang Monday. So, kailangan gusto nilang pumasok na Monday, di ba? Na-excite sila sa mga new events ng company. So, how are you going to motivate them? So, isa sa mga nabasa ko dito kay Sir Paulo is, yan. Sabi niya, dito sa chapter 11 niya, share the stage. Share the stage. So, sabi niya dito, you never make it alone. Someone always help you get to where you want to go. Di ba sa company may goal tayo? May target tayo ng sales. Okay? May target tayo ng profit. May target tayo na dapat nating ma-save yung company. So, may target tayo ng expansion. May target tayo ng mga branches. So, ganyan ang goal ng company. Or even sa maliliit na negosyo, kahit mula sa sari-sari store hanggang sa mga ordinaryong mga negosyo, may target din kayo na, for example, a day dapat may 5,000 sales ka, something like that. So, when you reach your target, pag naabot mo yung target sales, pag naabot mo yung quota, o kaya nag-exceed ka, don't forget to share the stage. How are you going to do that? Don't forget to say thank you. Thank you dun sa empleyado mong maagang gumising para makarating because of the opening of the event. Don't forget to say thank you and congratulations, okay, dun sa empleyado mong nag-extend ng time para matapos ang presentation, para matapos ang mga registration, para matapos yung mga lease, okay, o para mag-balance ang accounting, finances. So, don't forget to say thank you and recognize the people who work behind the success of your company. Don't forget to put a small note, thank you for coming earlier, 1 hour earlier. Thank you for extending 2 hours. Thank you for extending help to the other department. Thank you for using your resources for the sake of the company. Diba? So, don't forget to say thank you and congratulations. And don't forget to say that in public. Marami kasi mga CEO, okay? Sa dami na sinasabi nila, yung isang thank you, hindi nila masabi. Madaming may-ari ng mga kumpanya, sa dami ng mga binabanggit nila everyday, yung isang congratulations, they can't say it. I don't know why it's hard for them to say thank you and congratulations. I don't know, okay? Pero as a leader, sabi ni Sir Paulo TV, to stand out, you don't forget to share the stage. Share the recognition, share the glory to the employees that do their 100%, have given their 100% for the company. Okay? Because sabi nga, dito sa book ni Sir Paulo, you never make it alone. Someone always help you to get where you want to go. Alright? So, like in my case, okay, I have my GDS corporate training. And I never thought na lalawig siya ng ganito. From a simple seminar, to my YouTube, to coaching, to my masterclass. So, I never made it alone. Hindi ako lang mag-isa ang gumawa nito. I have my technical team. I have my part-time videographer. I have my part-time video editor. I have my part-time tagagawa ng aking mga poster and everything. So, after the event, I made sure I hand them my hand and say thank you very much. Thank you for, kahit part-time employee ko lang sila. Thank you for the time. Thank you for extending. Alright? Yung taga-edit ko po, estudyante lang. Okay? But I always say thank you. Thank you for the effort. Thank you for editing my videos. Thank you sa assistant ko na nag-assist during my seminar, kuha ng picture, lahat ng angulo, kinukuhanan. I say thank you. Kung kahit gaano kaliit ang contribution ng iyong empleyado, don't forget to say thank you. Don't forget to say thank you very much for the details, the small details that you have contributed in the success of the company. Because if you said that, tomorrow, they will look for another big thing na gagawin nila. Tomorrow, they will look for another. They will ask you again, what is our next project? What is our next target? Because you share the stage to them. Alright? So, sa lahat ng mga may-ari ng company, you don't own the stage. Share it with your employees. Alright? So, this is another management tip, okay, from GDS Corporate Training. So, if you want to know more about this, how to motivate employees the right way, okay, so please contact us for coaching, for consulting. Tawagan mo ako 0939-525-4311 or go to my FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, or FB account, Gigi Sunga, okay? And sa ating mga provincial meetup, so kung gusto nyo magpa-vlog, magpa-coach, Feb 9, nasa Quezon City tayo, Feb 10, nasa Bulacan, Feb 16, Taytay Rizal, and Feb 25, sa Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!